Lay your panel pieces flat, fold in half, and cut a 1-inch angle. Do the same for your side panels. Attach your side panels to your main panel. Leave a 1/2-inch gap at the bottom. Add your second exterior panel to the side panels, leaving the 1/2-inch gap at the bottom. Add your bottom panel, stitch along all 4 sides. Repeat the same for your lining panel. Add the side panels, the second panel, and attach the bottom. Make your handle. Fold the fabric in half with right sides together. Stitch down the side and fold fabric right side out. Pinch the center together and stitch along to create a folded handle. Center your handles on the exterior panels. Line up both sides so they match and clip in place. Stitch the handles to secure. Fold in the sides and the top according to the pattern. Measure and mark 2 inches from the top. Start stitching below those 2 inches to secure that fold in place. Then line up your panels with right sides together and stitch down the sides after the 2-inch mark to join the panels. Fold the top over by 1 inch. Stitch along the fold. Place your cover right side facing in over top of your exterior bag. Right sides together. Clip along the edge. Stitch Now, slip your exterior bag into your lining bag. Clip the two bags together along the top edge. Leave a gap in the side panel about 3 inches. Stitch along the edge and pull your bag through the gap. Double top stitch along the rim of your bag. Attach your drawstring to a pin. This will help pull it through the casing. Enjoy your new market bag.